Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick review on a new wine cooler that my wife and I just bought. And the reason we bought this particular one is that it uses a true compressor as what you have in your refrigerator. The electronic ones, which we've had in the past, did not work and burned out, to be honest. So we were extremely happy when we received this for a number of reasons. First, it's extremely quiet. It allows you to adjust your temperatures top and bottom. We have our white wines on top on a cooler setting and the red wines on the bottom a little bit warmer. And we do have some champagne bottles on the bottom because it's a larger area. But it says, and we haven't done this, that you can take the racks out and adjust them or remove them if you want to use a bigger area. But the main thing was that I did test it with some thermostats like this. I put them on the top and the bottom, and it was 100% accurate, literally to the degree. But let me just open it up and show you a couple features. You can adjust your temperatures. You can turn your light on and off. Your bottles, oh, of course, that's my shelf right there. And then you can have your different wines. It does have a lock at the bottom if you want to keep it secure. Other than that, not a whole lot to say, other than it looks really classy, and we're happy with it. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer, but I don't see any problems with it, and it looks really, really pretty in our dining area here. So have a wonderful day, be safe, talk to you soon.
Really easy to change the temperatures on both sides, the refrigerator side and the wine storage side. Shelves come out real nice and easy. There's plenty of them. Again, really easy to use. Up or down. Lights. No lights. Same thing on the other side. Lights. No lights. Beautiful refrigerator. You will not be disappointed. And it looks great on my new bar unit. Can't get any closer. The back of the couch is in the way. Hope this helps.
I would highly recommend this wine cooler from Amazon. Has a large capacity, fits perfectly in a space where a old compactor was. For the price, it was great, and it's very durable. The quality is fantastic. Would recommend to anyone.